In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not loading web pages on iPhone or iPad. If Safari opens but websites refuse to load very slowly, or just show a blank page, don't worry. There are several simple fixes you can try, and it's best to go through them in order. That way, you can solve the problem without changing more than necessary. First, check your internet connection. A quick way to do this is to open another app that uses the internet and see if it works properly. If it doesn't, the problem may not be Safari at all. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to test whether one connection is causing the issue. Another helpful trick is to turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off again. This refreshes your device's network connections and can often resolve temporary connection problems. If your internet seems fine, the next step is to force quit Safari and reopen it. Open the app switcher, find Safari, and swipe up on it to close the app completely. Then open Safari again and try loading the web page. This can clear out temporary glitches that may be preventing pages from opening correctly. You should also try reloading the web page directly in Safari. Tap the reload button and give the page another chance to load. While you're there, double-check that the website address is typed correctly. Even a small mistake in the URL can stop a page from opening. If that doesn't help, clear Safari history and website data. To do this, open Settings, go to Apps, then Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. Corrupted cached data or website files can sometimes interfere with page loading, so clearing them can give Safari a clean start. Next, disable any VPNs, content blockers, or Safari extensions. Go to Settings, Apps, Safari, then Extensions, and temporarily turn off any extensions you have enabled. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and test Safari again. These tools can sometimes block certain sites or interfere with loading. You should also check Safari privacy settings. In Settings, under Apps in Safari, tap Hide IP address and set it to trackers only. If advanced tracking protection is enabled, temporarily reduce it and test the site again, since some websites may not load properly with stricter protections turned on. If Safari is still not working, restart your iPhone or iPad. Simply turn the device off, turn it back on, and then try Safari again. After that, check for a system update. Go to Settings, General, and Software Update, then install any available updates. Safari updates are included with iOS and iPadOS updates, so this can fix bugs affecting web browsing. As a last resort, reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords and reset network-related settings. Finally, if only one specific website won't load, the issue is probably with that website and not Safari. Try opening a different site to confirm.